All right. So the day after that, apparently they had found some audio. Oh my god, this is tough. I don't know if I can watch, like, okay, it's just audio. I'm not watching anything. It's audio. All right. Stupid. All right. Let's listen to this audio. Oh my goodness.
New details tonight on that missing Titanic submersible. Despite a broadened search today, still no visible sign of the vessel, but there are reports of sounds detected. As an expert we spoke to says that window of opportunity is quickly closing.
The thing is, for every second that they're not found, they're just sinking further and further, and we are not good. Like, the pressure could only last so long. Like, it's only pressurized for so long before the sea is gonna crush it. Like, nature cares not. Like, it is nuts.
I believe at best we have 25 hours left.
Butch Hendrick has performed surface and subsurface water rescues for more than 30 years. Tuesday night, the founder of this New York-based public
20 to
safety
25 hours left, and that was June 21. That was yesterday. That was yesterday.
Company told Fox 11 he believes the missing submersible is either tangled in the Titanic wreckage.
Because the debris that is around the Titanic is so intense. To get entangled is quite easy.
Or the 21-foot vessel carrying one pilot and 4 passengers is the victim of a leak.
And very quietly and slowly flooded inside.
Hendrick says best case scenario is the sub, known as the Titan, is entangled, but even then, that comes with its own challenges.
It's good news because it would be easier to find. It may not be good news based on the fact that we have to figure out how we would untangle it.
As of Tuesday morning, the United States Coast Guard said a total of 10,000 square miles had been searched off the coast of Cape Cod.
It's a challenging operation.
The submersible lost communication less than 2 hours into its Sunday journey to the Titanic, about 13,000 feet below.
Wow.
Rolling Stone reporting an aircraft heard banging sounds at 30-minute intervals from the area where the sub disappeared during Tuesday's search. But still, no sign of the sub.
There's truly nothing else like it.
Meanwhile, a promotional video produced by submersible operator Oceangate touts the Titanic expedition as a once-in-a-lifetime journey. While this clip of the CEO, Stockton Rush, seems to indicate the sub is run by a video game controller.
It's basically a Sony PlayStation
style. That's what I said. It's a PlayStation controller. He didn't even opt for PlayStation. Bro, there's PS5. Bro, do you know how many generations? Oh my god. Bro, you might as well have just used a Sega. Like, just, oh my god. Yo, this guy, you're getting sued, bro. You are getting so sued. You're getting so sued. Oh my god. If this guy doesn't get sued, I don't know what's happening. Oh, dude, this guy's going down. There's no, bruh. I mean, maybe I'm crazy. Maybe I'm just tripping because, like, maybe submarine technology doesn't require that. Like, is that what it is? Like, it just doesn't require anything past 1999. Like, I'm so flabbergasted by how this passed any sort of regulation. He probably just didn't look for any regulation. Jesus Christ.
Tuesday, Oceangate confirmed Rush is the expedition pilot, and his passengers include a British billionaire, a French mariner, and members of a prominent Pakistani business family. Hendrick believes if the sub is intact, it will run out of oxygen by Wednesday night.
It's possible that the 96 hours was never tested. that nobody ever actually put 5 people in this submersible and then said, how long can we last?
Initially, officials said the sub had 96 hours of oxygen, but you just heard Hendrick and his doubts that that was ever tested with 5 people on board.
Easy, right? That's nuts, bruh. The love of money is crazy. Money itself isn't like. How could you overlook all? You're literally putting people's lives in danger, right? Like, I'm so confused as to how that can fly. Like, how that can be okay. This is crazy. Okay. On top of all of that,